Unpacking the phrase, to air out, a fresh take on English idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English is both fun and insightful. Today, we've got a fresh topic to unpack. The phrase, to air out. You might have come across this phrase and wondered what it really means and how you can use it in a conversation. Stick around, as we're about to dive deep into this expression to help you understand and use it like a native speaker. Let's start with the basics. To air out, something means to expose it to the air to remove any staleness, humidity, or unpleasant odors. For instance, you might air out a room after it's been closed for a while, or air out your bedding to keep it fresh. This literal use is easy to understand and visualize. Just imagine opening a window and letting fresh air come through. Interestingly, this phrase can also be used in a figurative sense. When someone says they need to air out their thoughts or feelings, they mean they need to express them, often to clear up any confusion or to relieve a burden on their mind. It's like they're removing the stale air from their internal thoughts or emotional state. Now, let's see how to air out can be used in everyday language. After the long winter, I always open all the windows to air out the house. He needed to talk to someone to air out his concerns about the project. Sometimes, a good debate allows a team to air out different opinions and reach a better conclusion. Notice how the phrase can smoothly transition from talking about physical spaces to discussing personal issues? It's a versatile phrase indeed. When you want to use to air out in conversation, remember, it's suitable for both formal and informal settings. You can use it to talk about a variety of subjects, from rooms to laundry to personal feelings. Ensure the context makes it clear whether you're using it literally or figuratively. There you have it. Now you know all about to air out, and can start using it to add flavor to your English conversations. We hope this video has cleared the air on this phrase and given you the confidence to use it more effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice what you've learned today. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.